These vegan energy balls are so delicious, so easy to make, and you're just going to want to pop them in your mouth constantly. We'll start with a cup of oats, which has soluble fiber that's great for your digestion. Then add 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, which have calcium and omega-3s and protein and so good for you. Then add a teaspoon of cinnamon. I prefer Ceylon cinnamon because I eat a lot of cinnamon, and apparently regular cinnamon, when you eat a lot of it, isn't the best. So see if you can get the Ceylon cinnamon. Then you're going to stir all of those dry ingredients together until it is well combined, and then add a 1/4 cup of applesauce into a separate bowl. You know, apples have quercetin, which is a really powerful flavonoid. Then add 2 tablespoons of maple syrup just to get a little bit of sweetness for you. And then add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and that will add some sweetness without any sugar. Then add a 1/4 cup of almond butter, which has calcium and healthy fats and protein and vitamin E for you. And then you're going to mix all of the wet ingredients, and then you're going to pour those dry ingredients into the wet ingredients until it is evenly distributed. Then you're going to make the mixture. You're going to roll it in your hands and form them into little balls, put it on a parchment lined paper, and then you can add a pecan to each of them. You know, pecans have more flavonoids than any other tree nut, and they also have calcium and magnesium and potassium, and they're just really good for you and just absolutely delicious. Then you're going to pop that plate into the refrigerator, let them firm up for about 30 minutes. Now tell me, would you make these? They're so good. I hope you do, and I hope you let me know in the comments below.